And what I'd like to do is just see how good this audio is, so that I can prepare for some new content in the future, and see which one is best. Right now I have a lapel mic right here, and it's just mounted, just had the wires strung under my shirt, and the lapel mic clipped on my shirt, and I'm going to be doing some audio tests, moving the mic around. Right now it's on kind of my left neck. I'll try to see if I move that on my right neck, if that makes it makes it better. Also, I'd like to see how much of the background noise that you're picking up. Again, this is all in preparation for the next YouTube video. So I'm going to be doing some videos about various things here in Kern County. We'll be traveling around Lake Isabella, going up Visalia. I'm going to be doing some hiking, and overall, it'll just be a fun time. Summer here in Bakersfield. Right now it's 6 o'clock and it's 91 degrees, so it does get pretty hot. Not the kind of humid hot. It's a dry heat, so it just feels like when you walk out, it's just you're walking out. You feel the hot air. Feel like you're going out to a sauna, one of those dry rock heat sauna. So I'm in the car. I'd like to see how much of the background noise does this microphone pick up. Again, this is a test video. I've got recording to a voice memo on an iPhone, and I've got an older iPhone that I'm recording to, just to see how well this does. What does it look like? See what kind of audio you can get. Apologize, kind of got a yellow light right here, so I have to make a sudden stop. But let me tell you a little bit about kind of what I'm excited about. Basically, driving my car. I bought this car in 2020, just around Cinco de Mayo, right around COVID. I needed a new car. So it's been about several years, 4 years or so. And this car came with some, pretty cheap tires, I would say. It's, I don't even know the brand. What I noticed was the tires were super loud. They were bumpy. And I just have a better appreciation now of how good these tires are that I have. These are Costco tires that I purchased. They're Michelin's, I believe. They're touring Michelin. Actually, I think I even have the receipt here. These are, these are Michelin X-Tour AS2s. They're all-season tires, 225 65 R17s. Out the door, I believe I paid should have $794.97. So they were about $190 per tire. Buying them from Costco, well worth it. Not mainly, but because Costco gives you a extended warranty, pretty much. Costco gives you mileage prorated warranty. So, if my tires were ever to get punctured, I can take them to Costco. If it happens 2 years and there's 3 years left, they give me 3 years. They'll prorate it, so I'll get about 3/5 of the cost of the tire. They do wheel balancing and also rotation. All I have to do is just take it to a Costco. So I thought that's a really good value. Because usually you'd have to pay for those for like, I I think they go about normally about $30 if you go to a regular tire store. So nonetheless, we're recording, and motorcycle pulling up next to me. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. And the key to recording a good audio is, again, I'm wearing a lapel mic, and I kind of have it close to my mouth. I see some folks put the mic kind of closer to their mouth. It is a wired mic. I don't want that to stop me from filming. I will end up getting a wireless mic at some point. Just haven't gotten around it. So yeah, after this recording, what I'm gonna do is just load this up on a post-production editing software, the one that Apple uses. I can't think of the name of it. Not Logic Pro, not After Dark, because that's an Adobe product. Shoot, what is the name of that software? Well, maybe you guys can figure it out and you tell me what the name is in the comments, okay? I'm still trying to think about it. Oh boy, I took a nap too today. I took like a 2-hour nap. I can't, my recall is it's failing me right now. Logic Pro and After Effects? No, that's an Adobe product. Ha. Excuse me. Yeah, so I kind of have a little bit of an itchy throat right now. My family just came down from Orange County. I had a conference, security conference, in Anaheim, and also we had a couple of business meetings that I went to. I can tell you more about that in future episodes. But oh boy, I hate it when I'm trying to think of something and I can't think of it, because I literally can't stop thinking about it. So 5-minute parking for the cleaners. I don't think I want to park there. Okay, there's another parking spot on the other side. So yeah, I'll post this on YouTube. I'll kind of, okay, this is a good spot right here. I'll kind of go through what this looks like to see. I'll edit on the Mac. I'll do this right when I get home. And let's see. Okay. All right, I'm here. So let me take a quick break. Okay, I've got my phone in me. It's recording. Okay, so I'll just let that record, and I'm gonna grab. I'll put this in my pocket for now. Okay, got the keys. Oh my God, we've got a stack of iPhones here. This needs to be recycled. I'm just gonna put it in the trunk in the meantime. Oh, okay, I'll have to close that up. So, I definitely love the smell of brand new tires. get I'll get 2 combo C.
Rice and chow mein?
I'll get rice on one because I'm gonna get 2, and then chow mein on the other.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what kind of meat?
Let me get. Let me see. Let me get.
Coconut shrimp?
Yeah, coconut shrimp.
And then?
Actually, you can put all coconut shrimp.
Okay.
Yeah.
And another one?
The other one, I'll get. Let me see. Yep, anything with tofu? Okay,
Yeah.
tofu with garlic sauce. Okay. Not, that's not a new one. Sure. Yeah, I'll get. Tofu with garlic sauce. I'll get one of these and then 2 of the mushroom chicken. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Perfect.
That's only rice and coconut shrimp.
Yeah, rice and we'll just do all coconut shrimp on that. And then the other one just all chow mein. Yep. Make it easy, right?
How many two combo?
The tofu? Oh, we'll get 2 of these. So double. And then what's just 1 tofu? Yeah. Oh no. I'm getting 2 combos. Yeah, 2 combo C. Yeah. Yeah, the other one's the. Yep. Yep, that's right. I thought I left my credit card. We have it here.
Anything else? And drink or extra?
No, we'll skip that today.
Color is 29.44.
Okay. Just stop here.
Rice and chow mein?
Yes.
You want to have sauce or soy sauce?
Actually, I have those, so I'm good. But if you have chili oil, I'll take the chili oil. Oh, you have it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 is fine. And maybe 2 more.
2 more?
Yeah, 2 more.
辣椒鸡哈。
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lacey?
Yep.
Thank you. Waiting for time.
Oh, sit down for now. Okay. Water. Okay. Thank you. Oh, I forgot my card. Thank you so much. Didn't mean to try to pay for his dinner. Thank you very much. Thank you. Summertime. All right. Dinner picked up, and we're heading back home. So I wonder how's the audio. If there's anything that sounds bad, let me know.
For finance and HR.
All right. Oh, the recording stopped.
Oh, the recording stopped. That's interesting. I don't know if I pressed something, but maybe you didn't catch any audio there. But now I'm going to change the microphone and put it on the on the left side here. Okay, and maybe this sounds better. Does this sound better at all? Maybe that. But when I'm on the right side, hopefully I don't sound muffled. What I'm using is this Monster Lapel microphone. Okay. Hopefully it's got good volume, clear, not a lot of popping. Okay. And yep, and then we'll head home. Got some Chinese food, basically. This place called China Bistro. Over at the marketplace. I typically will just get like 2 3-item combos. This time I got 2 3-item combos. Just fried rice on one, noodles on the other. And what we do is, so we like their shrimp. So I got triple shrimp. Basically, they're coconut shrimp, so I just get triple of those. They give me shrimp for all 3 of them. Family loves it. And then for the other one, I got the mushroom chicken and also just some garlic tofu. Tofu is very good for you. I'm currently listening to an audiobook, Ikigai. And tofu is definitely one of those, one of those food that when you eat, it definitely it's good for you. I don't know what I'm saying. So we're driving back. We're only like 5 minutes away, so hopefully you can bear with me here. And got the recording going for 10 minutes now. I think when I got to the restaurant, I kind of pressed stop, but I started recording again. Anyway, I'll just merge the 2 videos, and hopefully, I'm still audio is still recording. 2 minutes in. How's the video? Is the video like real shaky for you guys? Just mark in the comments. Tell me what you think. Of course, I'm going to be checking the analytics on my videos, and any subscribers that really engage, definitely will reward these guys.
Yep, I'm going to be filming a lot more. What I have here is a DJI Osmo Action. Okay, this is normally what I use when we go to the beach or go to the pool. I've got a lot of footages from, you know, previous days on this Osmo that I have on my computer, and I'll review those and post some videos, you know, of our shenanigans, you know, some. Wow, 6:25 p.m. here, Bakersfield, California, and you know, it's June 1st, and it's 93 degrees outside, guys. 93 degrees. So, for those of you who you know, live in cold places, this is just a great place to vacation. If you want to thaw out, feel the sun, you know, just hang out at the pool. Later, in some of my future videos, I'll take you into our clubhouse, our community clubhouse, which, you know, it's nice to just lay out in the sun. You know, times like these where it's a weekend, you have no plans, we just, you know, bring some food, you know, hang out in the pool, just soak up the sun, all that good stuff. Okay, so don't know what this channel is going to be all about yet. You know, I'm a big lifestyle guy. You know, certainly have been reading up a lot about, you know, ways to live, stoicism, and you know, health and fitness, not health and fitness. So one thing I noticed when I've been talking for a while, my lips and my tongue gets kind of lazy. Okay, and I'll start mumbling. Hopefully I'm not doing that on this video. And so anyway, yeah, this is an audio test, so we'll see what this all sounds like when you're when it's after it's post-produced in the computer. What I've been seeing in some of the videos that I've been watching is they'll they're filming, but they're not really talking while they're filming, and then they'll add the audio post-production, okay, or during post. But some of you folks, it's a nice day out. It's a bit hazy, but I'm thinking perhaps a little later we'll fly some drone, and I'll include some drone footages here, and see what that looks like. We'll add some music. We'll do the whole works. This is kind of a trial video. I'm gonna be trying to post videos at least once a week. These videos do take some time to film. I gotta start working on content, and so just to tell you a little bit about what I've been up to. I've been reading up on Gary V's day trading attention. So I'm certainly going to be talking a lot about that, putting that into the context of what I do, you know, in documenting the application, and hopefully watch these videos, you know, and, okay, camera just fell. Watch these videos in the future, and kind of memorialize kind of, you know, the start of this channel. So maybe in 5 years you're watching this, I'm a famous guy. Or maybe not, nobody's watching, who cares? Okay, but I'm going to be documenting this for myself. I do like to watch videos of my old self. I think it's a good, you know, people journal, and I'm going to be doing a video journal. That's what I'm going to be doing. So. All right. Okay. Well, we're back home, and I hope you guys find this interesting. There's definitely going to be a lot more things coming in the future. That's going to be, about business, about building a brand. Again, we'll be, this will be kind of a video journal of me and applying the stuff that I learn, so I can share it with you guys, and you can apply it with yourself, and we can, communicate, and have a conversation. So that's it for now. I'm pulling up in my garage. I'm gonna bring dinner to the fam. So that's all I have for today. Okay? Peace.